How to get to guide on YouTube TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get to the guide section on YouTube TV. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, without any further ado, let us jump right into the video. First thing first, you just want to head over to your YouTube TV and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, all you have to do is make sure that you are in the home section first. So I'm going to show you what you can do if you're on the home section or if you are playing any video. So first of all, if you are on the home section, you just want to head over to live. So just tap on it and get to the live section right here. And here you will be able to find all of these live TV or live channels. So if you scroll down a bit, right here you will be able to get to your live section, and right below that there is the guide section. So you can find anything you want on this guide section. So here are different options like channel specific guides, so you can just find your desired guide right here. And if you are playing any video like this, you just want to have to go back and then you land on this page. So if you're on the home page or library, make sure you go to live. Now just scroll down a bit until you find the same section, and then you should be good to go. So go ahead and scroll down and you'll find the guide section right here. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.